Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
How many times have you been at work or running around and doing errands and your bra was so uncomfortable and you couldn't wait to get home to take it off? Well, I have the solution for you. It's called Magic Bra, and it's just that, magic. It's so comfortable you can even sleep in it. It was so nice of Magic Bra to send me one of their bras to try out. I have the back smoothing push-up bra, and it works wonders. It smooths out the unnecessary back fat that you may have, and it lifts the twins up very nicely. You guys are in luck. I have a discount code. Use DREA20 for 20% off on your entire purchase. Thanks to Magic Bra for sponsoring this portion of the video. Happy shopping!
Let me give you some advice.
Do you know where you at? Let me give you some advice before you get too attached, baby. Don't get caught up in the lies, cause you won't never make it back. Cause this city, this town, is so much more than that, baby. Do you feel like stepping on the way? Ooh, baby, now we can freak it from Hollywood up to the Bay. Ooh, yeah. Let me show you what that West like. Alright, baby, won't you come and ride with me? I'll show you what that West like. Alright, California girls know what I mean. On the West side,
Baby, let me show you what my side like. Don't get caught up in that limelight. Let's water on my wrist, can't get the time right. I see you in hindsight, I see you as my wife. I see you with me in the 6'3", hair blowing in the breeze. It's your California dream. Yeah, tell me something I wanna believe. Tell me that you need me the way I need you on my team. See you in the spring, I would fall if you would leave. On bars and APs, that ball and HD. From the west side with love, like I'm down in 13. Got me in real life, gotta stay for real twice. I'm in Southern California where the weather real nice. None these not nice, you on the spotlight. I ain't gonna lie, if you wanna ride, show you what the west side.
High volume. Am I really that much?